Using a Canon DSLR but not sure how to switch between RAW and JPEG, most users stick with the default settings without knowing that they can change formats anytime. It's quick and gives you more control over your photos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between RAW and JPEG. Let's switch the format right now. First, switch on your Canon camera. Then press the menu button. Now tap on Image Quality. You can use your touchscreen or you can click on the Set button here. From here you can choose RAW or L. What you want. L stands for large and JPEG. Or you can choose RAW plus L. This is a good option if you want the flexibility of RAW but also need a JPEG. Now I'll try to take a photo and check that your image quality option has changed. So this is how you can switch your camera's image quality option between RAW and JPEG. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.